Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. Good morning. Wow. What a crazy overnight session we had. Should be interesting, fellas. Good morning, John. Good morning, Dean Bishop, Kenny, Tarun, Ace Undercover, Crypto Calls, R5 Studios, Jagraj, Niles, Best Guest Trading, Crypto Calls, Jack Wiley, Mitch Marvin. Good morning. Good morning. Black Coffee Trader in the house. Good morning, Black Coffee. Tranquility. Clyde, good morning. Golf Guy. Oh, that just gave me fever to go golfing. Oof. CJ Amelia Stitcher in the house. Good morning, Amelia. Kevin G. Good morning, Jake Dell. Man, this market, I don't know what to think. We had a pretty good overnight session. We love these. TK reactions. Good morning, Matty Matt. Where all the accounts go, Matty Matt? You out yourself that you don't watch my videos. Good morning, Matty Matt. S Design Knob, good morning. Oh. Good morning, Dove Gordon. What a crazy overnight session. Was Friday a bad day? Yeah, it wasn't a good day. It was not a good day. Actually, Thursday night and Friday was not a good day, to be more specific. All right, I mean, this is going to be a wild day to trade. It's going to be wild. Kind of curious if the 880s here will hold. 800s maybe. Maybe we pull back into the 800s. I don't know. I don't know, man. Matty Matt. No, it's all good. Flash 90% sale. No, that's nope. President Trump make announcement. Okay, I see. I don't want to see a pullback, to be honest. I want to see a pullback here. Hey, that's right, Dove Gordon. Congratulations on your first payout. Let's go. This is for you, Dove Gordon. Well, hang on. Does it work? Congratulations, Dove Gordon. That's awesome. Love to see it. The Golden Bear speaks soon. Hey, no, you're welcome, Niles. Thanks for watching. 1,000-point drop if Trump has a bipolar episode today and says anything bad about tariffs. Hey, you never know. And here we go. Market pulling back. Kind of what I want. I wouldn't mind a pullback into the 800s here. The 780s, the 800s is going to be, I think that's going to be the line in the sand where maybe we get some support. I am not going to trade this until after 10 o'clock. I don't think, let me check here, but I don't think we have any major news today. No really major news today until Trump tweets, but for now, nothing major. And down we go, 840s. Let's see if we can get the 780s. VWAP is also down here, the 760s, so maybe Trump is talking soon. Oh, I know, Clyde. I can't wait. PGA Championship week. Oh, let's go. We need more like big tournament golf, like more major golf tournaments in the year. Masters week is still my favorite week, but I'll take the PGA Championship week as well. All right, market. Gotta wait. All right, let's see. Maybe we bounce here. All right, it's looking like our first potential bounce here. My phone. 100-point dump at the open, no big deal. Yeah, today's going to be the day of. Here's what I'm afraid of today. I'm afraid, or what I don't want to see today is a choppy. I don't want to see a choppy market today. And I'm afraid that might happen with it, with the big move we had. I mean, look at this move. We had Friday at the close, we were at the 20,145s. We almost went to the 21,000s. Like, we're getting close to that's a 850 point move. By the way, look at this, guys. This was hilarious. Look at my sick trade here. I got up at 3 in the morning, a little bit before 3 in the morning, and I was waiting for a pullback. Finally got it to the EMA. I entered long right here, and I just put my profit target at the high of that, and then look at this move. I missed. Oh, you hate to see it. I really wish I wouldn't have put in a take profit on that account, but it was 3 o'clock heading into 3:30, and I don't like to be too, like, 3:30 around the London Open. I usually don't like to trade it, so I was like, I love the setup and everything, but I was like, man, I'm just gonna put my take profit up there, and I went back to bed. And I I wake up this morning, and I'm like, I had my stop right below that low, and I'm like, I did a double take when I opened my screen this morning. I was like, wait, the market is what? I couldn't believe it. All right, continuing lower, testing about to test that 800 level. Again, this VWAP, I feel 800 level and the 770 is going to be an important level. If we don't hold this, if we don't hold that, I'm not quite sure what to do. Yeah, Matt, it's today's a day where it's okay to sit on your hands. The big move has happened overnight, and now it's just so unpredictable what we're gonna do today. So unpredictable. Yeah, Terry, profit take, and it's just feel like, I mean, there's a chance that we just rip once we start going higher, and we just absolutely rip the face off and we go higher. Definitely a chance of that happening. I mean, there's no way we do a gap fill. I mean, I shouldn't say no way, but man, this is tempting to go long above this 28. I might actually do it with 1 micro only. Kind of want to see if we hold here at the VWAP. I mean, if we hold here, if we don't hold, I'll close it. If this makes new lows, then I'm closing this. We got to trap the, I mean, I don't know what this is trying to do. Trying to put in some support here, the 800s, but yeah, I'm just going to cancel that. Let's see what happens at VWAP here. 770, 771 VWAP level, and then the fact we're not holding the 800s here. Imagine we do a gap fill. Imagine. Today's a good day to design now. Where's the tape profit trader accounts? You know, it's kind of interesting always. You can always tell the people that don't watch my recap videos. Which is fine. I don't mind. Here's what I'm going to hang on. Here, I have one thing to say for people that ask. We'll be gone tomorrow, and this life won't even be a memory. This is going to be my response. We'll be gone tomorrow. This is my response to people that ask what happened to my take profit trader accounts. Here today, gone tomorrow. And I'm making plans to live in my new home. Soon these eastern skies will glow with clouds of glory, and the sounding of the trumpet will be gone. Right here. We'll be gone tomorrow. Let's go, John. Every time somebody asks where my take profit trader accounts are, I'm going to show it. I'm going to play that. All right, I'm going to jump in here. We're going to do it. It's just, that's exactly what we were looking for. I'm okay being wrong on this trade. I'm only in one micro, though. Only one micro. Trying to keep it, this volatility, trying to keep the risk low. See if we can, come on, bulls. I know you're in here. But we might not. This might just continue lower, depending. It looks like it's going to, man. You guys like that recap video? I snuck that song in. Ben and Rose special. They did is they created this song in memory of my Take Profit Trader accounts. I called them up. I'm like, hey, I need this song. And they're just like, yeah, I got you, man. Don't worry, I got you. This is not looking great. Looks like we're gonna just continue lower. Alrighty then. I guess that's the way it is. It is what it is. Very interesting opening so far. All right, now we're just gonna chill. We're not gonna do that again. Now we're just gonna wait till. I mean, if we get below this 740 level, then I mean, I have no idea what we're gonna do. No idea what this market wants to do. I just don't know how I can trade shorts today. I just don't know how. Now Ben and Jerry, huge fan. Red poker. Oh man. Yeah, honestly, the overnight was more traded. Overnight was great trading, to be honest. Overnight was awesome. My two My Fund of Future accounts were sitting pretty nice. Does someone know? Again, I'm going to use chat as my as my FAQ for My Fund of Future instead of looking at it myself. But is there a? I assume there's a max payout per payout for. There's a payout cap per payout on these My Fund of Future 50K Starter Plus plans. Does someone know what it is? Okay, 1,200. Oh man, yikes! 1,200. Come on, man. So okay. Well then I'm actually already there. So 2,100, 2,000 is the drawdown. So getting the accounts above 3,300 is really, everything else is just a buffer. And now see that this is going to keep being tempting to go long, I feel like. Definitely tempting. Keeps looking like it wants to pop. And do I do it or not? I just said I won't do it again, so I'm trying not to. Try to. I really want to go long here. Oh. I think for the 50K 2,600 max buffer. So this is the starter plus account. We get up through that 800 level, man, I just don't. Oh. You know what we need to do? We need to wait. We need to wait until we actually fail to make a newer low. On our first failure attempt at a new low, then I'm okay taking another trade long. I can't do it until then. Like right here, this would be a failed attempt if we can. Let's see. But this is. If we just go lower all day long, this is gonna suck. Haha, Dean Bishop, we know you found an infinite money glitch. Yep, you're right. Kraft Costanza said so, that's why. I like how he conveniently ignored my question. We need to subpoena John. All right. I mean, I'm just waiting. If this makes new lows, we're gonna cancel this order and just. I guess we just have to wait. Okay, we might get filled here. Gonna have to be okay getting filled here. Just my low. I actually need to be. Man, off. Really want to see this rip. I want to see a huge boner candle if we get filled. If it wicks me in, we're in trouble. All right, moment of truth. Gotta pop right here. Come on. Need to see a big pop. Gonna keep it right there. See if we can get a pop. If we don't get a pop here, then it's. Here we go. We're in, boys. Now we gotta go. Do not wick me. Just rip it. Gotta rip it here. Ugh. We gotta rip it. Don't wick me in. This is not what I wanted to see. Come on, man. Come on, bulls. I don't like. We've got to get a nice. Oh, this is not ideal. Got to be patient, though. Let's be patient. Trying to be patient here. Really need to push above the 805s, 810s. Just can't seem to do it. Not looking good. Not what I wanted to see. Tempting just to kill it. But I'm going to try to be patient. Uh-oh, Trump is talking. That's a dangerous time to be in the market. This is rough. Just go, man. Come on, market. Now go. Go. That's it. Rip it. Rip it. I need to take profit like right here. Go. Let's go. That was a little bit nerve-wracking, but we survived. We survived it. Now, do we keep going? Felt like it was okay taking that trade with the support off VWAP, break above 800s. I definitely like that trade. Didn't get the initial push I was looking for, but and this thing could rip back above the 21,000s in literally 10 minutes. I'm going to wish I had held. I'm going to wish I had held. All right, testing the EMA here. Let's see. We're at that 840, pulling back a little bit. Trump looks extra orange today. He was hitting that spray tan earlier this morning. And right back down. Yeah, this is where I'm like, okay, we're good. We're chilling. No need to be aggressive here. I mean, I just don't. I am not going to take a short today. Just not going to do it. Man, what are we doing here? This makes new lows. I really hope it doesn't. Kind of hoping we just come back, maybe test the VWAP once more, and then back higher. We make new lows. Feel like I almost have to look for shorts, but geez. Oh, man. Hey, good morning, Rosie Rose. Yeah, double bottom would be also kind of okay. Just a failed attempt to make new lows is what I need. A failed attempt to make new lows is kind of what I'm looking for. But if we actually do make new lows, wait, is Joom launching tomorrow? Shiva, I am very consistent. What is the reason? Some YouTube making 15,000 in just seconds. Well, if they're making 15,000 in seconds, then they're probably losing 15,000 in seconds as well. You just don't see that part. Key to consistency is just, being consistent. I don't even know. I'm not really that consistent, to be honest. As I proved last week, I still blow accounts like a degen sometimes. Still so upset about. By the way, public service announcement. Take Profit Trader. I'm not using Rhythmic accounts ever again. I don't know. I wish I could, but their support on Rhythmic accounts is absolutely horrible. And second, like it's so, I don't know how to explain it, but they don't cancel their accounts. They don't, like, it's impossible. You always have to reach out to them. It's so annoying. I'm just not going to do it. If I do get more Take Profit Trader accounts, which we all know I will, it's just a matter of time. I'm using the Trade of 8 again. That way I can connect them at the same time. I'm going to use QuantGuard for my Apex accounts. Those are the most important. Also, if you're not aware, didn't watch my video, whatever, these 15 Apex accounts that are 150Ks, these all have a daily loss limit of $400. So once I hit $400, I'm out. Cannot trade. Locked out. No way to bypass it. So actually, I like it. I think it's going to make me, like, I'm totally okay with a $400 red day, and almost want to, I don't want to be stupid aggressive, but like, it allows me to just, hey, let's just trade like normal. If we hit 400, I don't have to worry that I'm going to go on tilt. I'm locked out and it's a done thing. So it might be my slow internet. Yeah, right. But yeah, I'm using CQG, CG, whatever, on Take Profit. It's just, it is what it is. I wish they had better. And this is, I feel like I need to take this trade. I'm gonna do it. If we get back above that, I feel like we got to take it. We failed to make new lows. Getting some support off of that VWAP. Love to see this just give it like a really big blowout candle here would be really nice. Okay, don't wick me in like that, though. That's going to be dirty. That is, come on. We got to close this candle green. This is, yikes. We literally got ticked. How did we even get filled on that trade? Jeez. This is not it, folks. Yikes. We get stopped out, we get stopped out. It is what it is. Man, we definitely, that looks like a short, like a trap for the longs right there. The bulls are just gone. Like, the bulls just completely left the building. I don't like it. I don't like this at all. Yeah, Fred Yeager. I agree. Let's see if it does the hope and nope. Are we going to get the hope and nope trade here? Come on, market. Do it. Please do it. Do not give me hope and nope here. Just rip it. Rip it. Do it. And this EMA, I feel like, hate taking profit this early, but this is where, yeah, now it's going to reject again. Yikes. The hope and nope strat. Let's be patient. We're going to be patient. Just going to not, I'm not going to look at the market. Let's just not even look at it. What EMAs? This is the 21 EMA. Carlos, Manessa, Shiva, Frank, Steven, Mr. Pushup. Good to see you, Mr. Pushup. Good morning. Full-time trading. Good morning, Dabda. Good morning, Jack Wiley. I'm not talking about it. Just go higher, boys. Just keep going. Rip it. Being very sluggish here. So tempting to try to just... So tempting just to take my profit right here. I'm going to regret that. I'm going to regret that, am I not? Just that hope and nope. Maybe I won't regret it. Maybe that was a good move. Don't like how we're not... we can't get above that 21 EMA. Whatever happens, I'm glad I got out. Let's see if this just rips lower now, makes new lows. I don't know. I guess we got to wait, and technically we should probably look for shorts if we make new lows, but this seems like a bad idea in this market to look for shorts, but who knows? This thing could just flat out dump. It's always possible. I could have DCA'd the other 168 micros. This is kind of what I was afraid of today. After a big move like the overnight session we had, now we're just... yeah, now it's just stuck. We're just kind of going, you know, not great price action here at all. All right, let's see. Maybe we get above that 820s. Feels like we just... right now we just get stuck at the EMA. We can't get above it. All right, maybe we do it here. But yeah, this is just not great price action here at all. All the people from Methodical Man and Pine Tree and a Human Algo Stock Tiger are here. Why? What do you mean full-time trading? Oh, you mean the same people? Yeah. Yep. That's not unusual. Alpine, I think Alpine's streaming again tomorrow. He might stream end of day today. or toward the end of day today. So, all right, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. And we're back. Yeah, boys. We should have held. We should have held. I hate when I do that. Yeah, I hate to see it. Trump tweeted EU will have to pay more for healthcare and negative remark about China. Hopefully no catastrophe. Huh. I don't know. Interesting. This looks... And that was a... Hindsight is always 2020. Now, if we break above the 850s here, this really does look like this has room to run. Really should have... Cutting that trade for break even. Ouch, that hurts. Got scared. Okay, let's see. Can we get above the 800s? Is Trump done talking? I don't even know. I have not really been following what Trump has been talking or saying or doing. Which is probably a bad idea, but... I need to make a phone call. Just give me a minute. Okay, we're back. Yeah, okay, we're back. Well, we failed to get above the 850s. Once again, pulling back. I don't know how to trade this, to be honest. Just not ideal. Feel like the trade is kind of over. Overnight session was the trades, and now it's just going kind of sideways. I'm calling Take Profit Trader customer service. Yeah, right. How is MFF? So far so good. No complaints. I mean, I should be able to request a payout here next couple days. And should be able to do 1,200 times 2. 1,200 times 2, so should be getting a $2,400 payout in the next couple days unless I do something stupid, which is always a possibility. Lost my pro account on that drop, Faisal. Oh man, I'm sorry. Not fun. All right, trying to get another leg higher. I mean, I'm going to wait. I want to wait to go long, look for a long until we actually break the 850s. If we break the 850s, then I think we're safe looking for a long here. Hey, good morning, Sharuz. Good to see you. Reezy, Benny Trades, Treff, Faisal, good morning. Was that the buffer? Oh, no, please, no, not. Oh, I forgot the clock. Thank you. How did I forget the clock? And this is the first time you guys remind me. What strategy am I using to trade? Continuation strategy. Look for a trend, wait for a pullback, and then jump in. That's basically it. All right, y'all. Let's see. Is this gonna dump? There we go. Below the 800s. Kind of breaking to the downside right here. Hey, Yogi Bark, how's it going? Thanks for the expense breakdown over the weekend. Thank you, thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Yeah, I mean, I love looking at those numbers, and I'm a big nerd. I love numbers. I love P&L statements, looking at it, all that stuff. So I love doing that stuff. Let's just hope we can keep on the same trajectory. Let's just keep stacking payouts, keep our expenses at least to the bare, let's keep our expenses manageable and just keep stacking payouts and we'll be fine. That's the main goal. The market does kind of look exhausted, best guess trading. I agree. It does. It's just like, now there we go, breaking down, testing the VWAP once again. It just feels heavy. I mean, I'll be honest, I thought we would see at least one effort to retake. I thought we would see an effort to get back up to the 21,000 level, but right now it sure don't look like it. Just looking very heavy. Doesn't, I mean, I guess it's fair if we look at the 1 hour chart. I mean, it was just so bullish in the overnight session that it was bound to get a pullback. I just don't know where we're going. Like, is this looking for the, I mean, are we really going to pull back all the way back to like the 600s here? I mean, there's a chance, but man, that is kind of wild. But it could happen. Just glad I'm not trapped in a short, honestly. There we go, making new lows. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Testing the 740s here. I mean, that's a 100-point move lower from right here, the 840s. So got to be careful right here. You got to be careful. This thing could dump, really dump, all the way down to the 600s. I just don't know how to trade this. Is Trump still speaking? Yeah, good question, Carolina. I'm not even sure. This is also where it can happen, where we do this kind of dip lower and then we rip it. Trap all the shorts and then we make a rip higher. That can happen, but we got to see a big spike. Like, we got to see. That's not what's happening right now. This is just selling. Lots and lots and lots of selling. Man, I was so excited for today. I was like, "Oh man, maybe we just make a nice steady grind higher." I expected us to pull back at the open. But I did not expect us to just fall apart. But it is what it is. Is what it is. Yeah, that 850 failed area, like right here. I agree, Matty Matt. Like, honestly, the short would have been right here. I actually thought about it. The short play was basically as soon as we broke this upward trend we were putting in. When we broke this was the short. And again, I'm not really looking for shorts, but I probably should be at this point. There she goes, testing. Let's see if we get us any kind of relief here at the 700s, maybe. Nope. We just going straight down. Let's see. 700s are touched. Wow. Happy John, are you serious? If this fills the gap, I'll shut off I will just, if this fills the gap, I'm going to stop trading. I'll just stop. That would be wild. Mike G, the market is up over, I mean, it's still falling apart. If you look at since the open, we have had a 220-point sell-off. So the overnight session, that's different than the regular trade. Like, at 9:30, we just immediately just going lower. See, now this, if we make a move back up into this 15-minute opening range low, back into the 740s, if we have a good short setup, man, I almost have to take it. I almost got to take that. Trying to get a bounce. Oh, I got a decision to make here if we actually do test the 740s. Hmm. And I don't know how to. I'm not. I'm just not gonna take this short. How are you guys doing? You looking for shorts? It just seems so dangerous. Seems like playing with fire. One of these moves, we're gonna have a 200-point rip higher. I can just feel it. Hey, Dr. Mike Trades, thanks. Take care. Down 300, hit my day loss limit, Aaron. Yeah. Honestly, I'm actually pretty happy that I'm pretty much break even on the day since trading the regular traded hours based off of this price action. If I would have seen this price action, I would have been like, yeah, I'm probably going to be red at the open or since the open. Overnight trading was great. Man, I'm excited to get my Tradeify live accounts. I should have my Tradeify live accounts next week, supposedly, hopefully. Kind of excited. Not sure yet how I'm going to trade them. Full-time trading. How do the live accounts work? I get 2 accounts. So I I get 2 accounts with $9,000 balance in each account. That's where I will start at, and then yeah, we'll just try to keep being slow and steady, and I'm gonna continue try to take payouts. Did you, by the way, shout out to Futures of Our Future. Oh man, that video he made, the Sausage Party song. Oh man, I was dying laughing on that one. That was hilarious. Oh, that guy was that was funny. That was real funny. Oh man, my Top Step X platform did not plot correctly before 9:30 bell in the last 3 trading days. That's weird. That's weird, Vincent Nella. How do I find the from close column on your NinjaTrader terminal that shows account information? It's Gecko. So this is a plugin from Affordable Indicators. This is from the account dashboard from Affordable Indicators. So that is, yeah, that's why I have the from close available. NinjaTrader doesn't actually show it. You have to use the plugin. What happened to Tradeify and Take Profit Trader accounts? Oh dear, I thought no one would ask again today.
When God will wipe these teardrops from our eyes, here today, we'll be gone tomorrow, and this life won't even be a memory. Here today, we'll be gone tomorrow, where we'll praise the Lord throughout eternity.
Hey, those are the rules, folks. Those are the rules. If someone asks what happened to my Take Profit Trader accounts, that's gonna just, it's automatically gonna trigger me playing that song. I can't help it. It is what it is. All right, market. I'm so tempted again to go long right here. Man, this is, I don't know what to do here, guys. Woo. The one time I don't take the long trade right here, it's probably, this will be the move. This will be the 200-point move that I've been waiting for all morning long. And I did not jump in. So this is probably going to be the move, guys. Just a warning. What happened? There goes another copyright strike. It's worth it. Next time you crash a plane on Sim, play this music. It's fitting. No, but to answer your question, my Tradeify accounts, nothing happened. I'm just waiting for my live account. I got moved to a live account on my Tradeify account, so I'm waiting for my live accounts. Take Profit Trader, I don't want to talk about it. See, this is exactly what I'm afraid of, but So annoying. So annoying. If I just take a... Now we could reject here. Oh. And I don't know what to do here. What a nice move higher all of a sudden. 740's about to test the 800s and just slowly grinding higher. Not sure I exactly trust this move yet, but at least need to wait for a pullback here. But it just feels like this is just gonna keep going. But we shall see. Like clockwork. Wait, was that a bounce off the daily? 200? Ah, I see. Now you're probably right. The 700 level was right there. Oh, interesting. I want to see us at least make an attempt at, like, I want to see a pullback and then a move higher and I'll jump in. But right now, I'm not going to chase it. It's starting to do one of those moves where we just keep going higher with no pullback. That's going to frustrate me. You're long from the 750s? Nice, Black Coffee. Let's go. Yeah, doing nothing is actually doing something. I agree. I'm a little... It was so tempting to take a long once we broke above that, but I was a little bit gun shy from this move. See if we get a pullback here. We're either gonna get pullback, gonna trap the shorts, and then we're gonna see a big rip higher, or this is just gonna dump and make new lows. See if it pulls back here. Yep, here we go. Want to see what happens if we test the 775s right here. It can't. Now it's just stuck. I'm going to take it. I wanted to wait for this back, but I have my stop right here. We shall see what happens. Man, the volatility is actually pretty low. Volatility is pretty low for the big move we had overnight. Watch this just roll over again. Ugh. Give me a big green candle, man. Just give it to me. Gotta rip it. Gotta rip it here. John, don't say it. Don't say it. How many Apex funded account did I blow? 5. The 550Ks. We need to get to moving right here. Come on, market. Come on, push it. And it just can't seem to do it. It's just dying. Slow death. A slow death right now. Come on, now go. Nope, can't do it. Now go. Rip it. I'm dead serious. You better go right here. Oh my word. Oh, it's painful. Why you be like this, market? Why? Now go. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. That's more like it. Now keep going. Keep going. Higher. Don't stop. Don't stop. Are we serious right now? We're holding on this one. I like it. We just gotta go. We gotta rip it. Just don't tease me. Just take me to the 820s. Please. Can you? Thing is just going to be difficult. Really? Nathan and Ramirez. Uh-oh, did someone ask about something? Market! Seriously. Seriously. Is this necessary? Unreal. Like, why? Cannot seem to... This doesn't seem like we can get any sort of momentum going. Crazy. It really gonna stop me out after being that close to my take profit? What camera do I use to stream? I use the Sony ZVE 10. Excuse me. Sony ZVE 10. All right, come on now, go. Oh. Today was one of those days that if you traded the overnight session and were green, just walk away. Don't even trade the regular traded hours. Don't trade the New York session. Too painful. Not necessary. Like, the moves were way cleaner. By the way, here's my funded future accounts, which this doesn't even look like that big of a move right now, but whoo, this was nice. That was so fun. Catching that move. Whoop. And then it did this move. Crazy. Oh, we gotta hold. We gotta hold right here. Uh-oh. Man. It's gonna be a frustrating trade if we get stopped out here. Like, for real. Unreal. Trump just ended? I see. Yeah, we might get stopped here. Man. You just can't have any nice things today. Can't have nice things. Yeah, Trev. It's just there's nothing. There's no continuation. I mean, there's some nice this trade right here to the downside if you're looking for shorts. That was a nice trade, but I don't know. Not been great. Not been great at all. And now we're going to get stopped out after being what? $84 in profit? Come on. Or 84 42 ticks in. Let's see if this is the hope and nope strategy. It feels like it. Feels like one of those hope and nopes. Hey, Shiva, if you are very consistent on your risk management, so you also use a daily loss limit, how you can. Was it psychology problem? A little bit of both. I just went on tilt. I didn't blow my apex. So my take profit trader, I wasn't using quant guard, and so I didn't have a daily loss limit on it. Apex, I was using it, but it was probably too big. It was a $1,400 daily loss limit, and it yeah, 2 days is all it took. Does Apex have a new website? I mean, not that I know of, but who knows, you know? They keep springing us with surprises. Wait. Is their login different? Or what? Oh! Okay, market. Don't, no, no, Don't do that. Don't do that, market. Just go higher, you know what? And brutal. I'm gonna hold this trade though. I like where my stop is, and we're gonna hold it. We're going to hold. Come on, Mark. Just one time. Can you just go higher? Does look like they have a new website, or at least updated. Not new. It's not really new though. Just and I wouldn't say it's new. Wait, Trump is still talking? Or what is this? We might be okay on this trade. We might be okay. If we can get something going right here. This is where we will reject if we do. We could see this thing just roll over right here. So, got to pop it above the 800s. Come on, market. Just do it. Do it for the one time. Stop teasing my entry. Of course, my entry is resistance. I mean, that's natural. That's just how that's how it goes. Your stop loss is my take profit, Barnabas. May the best man win. May the best man win. Where's your stop loss, Barnabas? You have to put your stop loss where my take profit is so we know who wins. 8/17s. Come on. Let's see it. If it gets to the high, it's going to go over it. It might, but I'm not willing to take that risk. If we get back up to the 8/17s, I'm taking profit and I'm going to run. I'm going to run with it. My cat just jumped up in my chair. Now I'm hearing the song. He's a man. Oh, dear. I like my long, but this is going to be an important level. If this is going to roll over, it's going to do it right here, just like clockwork. There it is. Oh, you hate to see it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why you be like this? Why? Why do you got to be so difficult, market? Yeah, this long is taking a long time. Yes, it's also wasting a lot of mental capital here. You just don't like to see this. Not cool. Just this is frustrating. We might just shut her down, boys. Telling you guys, overnight trading is so much better. Overnight trading is so much better. Well, hold on. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. Not going to say a word. I am not going to say a word. Relax. Where do I have to be? I got nowhere I need to be, but I don't want to be in front of this. I don't want to be trading when the market does acts like this. Because I know what will happen. This kind of market is what really frustrates me. Just can't do it. Wait, what do we have? Are you serious? Diddy sex trafficking trial begins with opening statement. Oh dear. This should be fun. That should be a fun watch. I just feel like this is gonna go lower. We've tried multiple times. We've tried multiple times to go and we just can't seem to do it. I think we're going lower. But I'm gonna let this trade run out. If we get stopped, we get stopped. Yeah, it's more exciting than this market. That's true. Hey, DC fan for life. Good morning. Good, how's it going? I don't like the lower highs and lower lows right now. Yeah, Francis. I just don't like the market right now. Overall, just in general, I don't like the market. But as long as we can hold the 770s here, we're kind of chopping right at VWAP. I mean, I like where my stop is at. We might get stopped, but I still think we're in the right place here. And if we do get a move higher, I think we'll be okay. But right now, we got to get going. Got to get some buyers in here and rip this thing. I took my, by the way, took my lawnmower in to get its spring tune-up. Get the blades sharpened. Get everything greased up and ready to roll. And I was hoping to have it back today so I could mow the lawn today, but just that's who I was calling. And they said they will try to get it this week. I'm like, huh? You best you will try to get it this week. Are you serious? Like, I need this mower by Thursday for sure. Gonna be mowing a hayfield if I don't have it by next week. Oh, this is maddening. I'm about to close this trade just out of frustration and to prove a point. Stuck in a $1 range. It's like literally stuck here. Stuck. Of course. And oh, Dadnator, thanks. Yeah, thanks for asking, Dadnator. Cody is doing a lot better. I think, yeah, he's over the worst of it. He's feeling good again, and he's himself again. So, oh man, I gotta say that was the first time that he's had like a bad earache And man, I sure hope he doesn't get it again because I felt so bad for the poor guy. He was in so much pain. And like Cody's always been like very like it takes a lot for him to cry. Like he will be very tough. Like he's very tough and he will when he's sick or stuff like that, he's a trooper. So you knew when he's crying like that from the pain, oh, you knew it was bad. And it was just we tried to make it him as comfortable as possible and just not fun, man. If it's the fluid changes, it's not that difficult. My Snapper Pro has a drain hose on the Kawasaki engine. Yeah, it's more of I also want the blades to be sharpened. That's kind of the one thing that I don't really feel comfortable enough to sharpen the blades because you have to make sure they're balanced and I don't know. That's the part that I'm not really that comfortable with. But yeah. All right, market. Could we please, pretty please go just go higher? Could you do that for me, please? Let's not be difficult. Let's not be difficult. Just go. Rip it higher here. Oh, gosh. I mean, look at this. Look at this trash. Every time it's like, every time I'm like, okay, now it's going to go. And now look at it. Just immediately back down. Maddening. Get some flap discs in an angle grinder and a balance cone and exchange your... Very funny, Mr. Wall Street. Hey, I'll admit I am not, when it comes to like being a mechanic or a car maintenance or like, nah, I'm out. I will take it somewhere and have them change the oil, change the filters. Someone else can do that. I sharpen my blades weekly. Oh, wow. By the way, guys, I got to show you. I wanted to show you guys this. You know how you guys think like there are different levels to the lawns. Here, hang on. I need to find the video. So this guy, he has a lawn on the next level. Look at this guy. He that's a dream of mine. That's a lawn. He cuts it at 1/4 of an inch. It literally looks like a carpet. It looks like it actually looks fake. It looks so good. That is one of these days I will have a lawn that looks like that. I'm telling you. That is legit. Like it's crazy. Oh my, dude, this market needs some serious psychological help. Like for real. Why do you have to be like this, market? Why? Oh, stay off my lawn. It's literally a golf course. He literally has a putting green as his lawn. I mean, it is incredible. It is crazy. I definitely should not have seen that because now I got all kinds of visions. It's Trading Star. Hey, good morning, M. Susan. Good to see you. He hates being in the house with his wife. The only reason you spend that much time on a lawn. Oh, man, that's rough. Yes, down, chop for stops, then go. Yeah. Maybe that's the case, John. Okay, market, if you don't go right here, right now, I will literally do nothing. That's probably right. I will do nothing. I'll threaten it though. I'm not even joking. If this comes all the way back down again, oh, this is actually painful. Like it actually hurts. Physically, I'm starting to feel actual pain from this trade. When did we enter this trade? We entered the trade right here at 10:50. We have been in this trade now for 30 minutes. Unacceptable. It is unacceptable, man. You know what? You know what's gonna trigger me? Like trigger me real bad. If we come down and it wicks my stop and then rips higher, we got problems. You're long for 50 minutes, Sarah? Oh, I feel your pain then. And I think there is a chance that that can happen. And I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. I mean, how hard is it for the market just to go up? It's doing it all night. This is just unacceptable. You know what? I wonder. I've got an idea. This is so dumb. Makes me want to take a nap. Do you think we will fill the gap, Yogi Bark? Actually, at this point, we probably will. It is looking like that's more likely than we going higher right now. This is a joke. Market, you're a joke, an absolute joke. I am not going to take you seriously the rest of the day. Unbelievable. We're gonna get stopped here. Please just don't stop me and then go higher. That's all I ask. That is all I ask, market. Please don't be a, you know what? There's the stop. Don't do it, market. Don't you do it. Don't do it. Keep going lower. I don't know, man. Stupid. I don't know. Days like today makes me wonder why I even trade the regular. Why do I even trade the New York session? Why? It's the dumbest. It's just bad. Like look at these clean moves. Like look at those moves. Look at these moves. I mean, it's like night and day compared to then the New York session. We bleh, bleh. Just makes me want to vomit. Like it's just so bad. Yeah, go ahead and go higher now. It's fine. Whatever. What is the best time to trade? I don't know. It's a bad time to ask me when the best time to trade is. I have no idea. After hours, pre-market. Was the overnight always clean, Diego? No, it wasn't. See, the overnight session used to be that there wasn't even enough volume and movement to really trade it. Like, it used to be that it wasn't even worth trading the market in the overnight because the moves were just it wasn't enough volume. But since the volatility has increased since January, then it changed. Like it actually is. It feels like the New York session is sometimes so volatile that it's difficult to trade. But then the New York session, like the after hours overnight session, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm biased, and it's not always like this, but I just feel like the overnight session has way cleaner continuation moves. Like the moves, like once we start a trend, we follow the trend a lot more than we do in the session regular traded hours. I don't. Maybe I'm biased, but I don't know. This is just frustrating trading. I've thought about it, Niles. I've thought about doing some streams in the overnight session. I mean, it's kind of difficult because I don't like I'll put a trade on and then I'll go to bed. Like I'll go to bed and I might wake up around 1, 2, 3 o'clock and I'll check on the trade. Depending what happened, I might add another trade, but it's not like I'm sitting in front of my computer when I'm trading the overnight, which is also probably part of the reason that I am trading better in the overnight sessions than I am in the regular traded hours because of that. Like I put the trade on, I allow it to work, and it is what it is. But yeah, it does. Maybe is it a little bit slower? It's not slower than this crash. Now look at this. If this rips higher now, we got issues. We got problems, man. There's just no way. No shot. No shot, Jose. Oh, that's okay. Fine, market. You win. Watch this rip. Watch this rip back up above the 850s now. Just watch. Go ahead and watch. Take notes. Typical. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. Oh my gosh. I should stream. Wait, what? Oh, I should stream your chart in the overnight. You don't have to be in front of it and talk. I mean, I could do that, Sky Matt. I feel like I don't feel like a lot of people would watch. I mean, I don't think people are going to watch if you're not going to be here and interact with people. I don't think most people are going to be that interested in that. I don't know. I might be wrong, but it would be pretty boring. It would be pretty boring. Just an FYI, your stop was sitting right at the QQ dollar increment. Respect those dollar. Precision Trader University. I see. I'll get more subs. I don't know. I don't feel like that would make that big a difference. Yeah, trade duration is always higher. It's just a lot. The interactions and everything would be down, which actually hurts your channel. Like if you start streaming and all of a sudden your interactions and your chat log slows down, like it actually will hurt your YouTube channel because the algorithms look at it and is like, oh wow, they won't recommend your video to other people if that happens. But at this point, I guess I didn't even know what to do here. Trying to think mentally. Right now I'm a little frustrated, not gonna lie. A little frustrated. Not even sure what I'm looking for on a trade. If you only have wins over the course of 8 days in your PA account, how does Apex calculate your 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio? I mean, I don't think there would be anything to calculate, Jonathan Trentwell, so you should be fine. Start a new channel for the overnight stream. They see that would actually be a better idea. That actually would be a better idea. You know what? I wanted to check how many days traded do I have on these 5 accounts. Let me look. 150. How many days traded do I have in between? So we were at 146. So I am at. All right, so we're on day number 5 trading on these 5 accounts. So we need $600 more, and then we can request a payout again on those accounts. Nutty at Night. Yeah, that's actually not a bad name for that's not bad at all. That's good. Hey, Amin, thank you. Yeah, family's doing great. Very blessed. And been great. The last 2 days here in Ohio, the weather has just been absolutely beautiful. And it's made me think of Florida, actually. How the weather was in Florida. It was just, it's so beautiful. 75 degrees. Just a nice breeze and sunny. Look at this market. I just knew it. It was going to stop me out, and now it's going to make its move. So why you be like this? Why must you be like this, market? Why? Is it really necessary? I mean, maybe we're just going to trade in this range from the 760s to the 800 the rest of the day. Maybe. I don't know. I doubt it. I bet we're going to rip higher right here because I am no longer in my trade. You're welcome. If you're long, you can send your thank you cards to, actually, I don't know where to send it to. Hey, I'm in. Oh, man. And I want to. Here we go. Watch this thing just rip right now. Unbelievable. I'm not going to chase this. I know that's what the market wants me to do. It wants me to now get FOMO, chase this, and then we're going to dump again. I've seen this movie before. I have seen this movie before. But the price is just moving very, very slowly. Like, it is actually bad. Seriously considering walking away for the day. This is starting to just frustrate me. So dumb. Kind of what I was actually afraid of, like this morning. I'm like, watch us just totally go sideways and choppy price action all day long. We might get a nice move. I mean, we probably will get a nice move at some point today. But 80% of price action today is just going to be this choppy, slow back and forth price action that's just ugly. And I don't know. Yeah, the ATR is crazy low. Just it's not moving. Usually when folks say the action sucks, it's when they're red. Yeah, I mean it does suck. I feel like this actually does suck. Even though I mean I'm not having a great day. It's not terrible. It's not even like not like I'm having a terrible day, but it's just the price action's just so bad. Just so bad. Part of me wants to go short right here. Like the fact that we're struggling again to get above the 800s is really like almost want to play the reversal roll and just go with the shorts. It does feel like we can't get above. And there she goes. Yep. Now I missed that move, so don't worry. There he goes, down to the 780s. I'm just, I don't know. If I've ever traded gold, I have not. I mean, maybe in the past, but not recently. No, I've not. Do I actually? Do we take one more stab at this? I'm gonna do it. I don't know. This might be a bad idea, but I know this is probably a bad idea. I'm gonna take it. See, we can't get support off the VWAP again. Basically, just trading the range here. Don't ruin my short. No, John, it's fine. You're fine now. I just helped your short. I just helped it. You're welcome. Oh, it's so bad. Come on, market. Give me one big, give me a good rip, a rip higher here. It's crazy. Like the price action right now is what you would expect in an overnight session usually. Like it's so bad. And why am I trading it? That's a good question. I'm half tempted to take profit at 20 ticks. That's how bad this has gotten. Keep going, you piece of... Come on, go. Good grief. Trying to see if I can help it get higher. Come on. A magnet. Come on. Doesn't work. I'm dead serious. We might have to shut her down. This just ain't it, man. This is not it. Problem is, if I end stream here, you're guaranteed to get a breakout clean move if I end stream here. 100%. Come on, go. Go, 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 go. Go. Rip it. Oh, infuriating. Give me 1 minute, guys. I will be back, and by the time I'm back, I better have my target. Oh, sorry about that. We're back. Really? This market. So over it. How close were we to hitting our profit target again? I don't even want to talk about it. Don't want to talk about it. Oh, this is just so bad. Why am I still here? Why am I still here? I don't know, man. I'm thinking about cutting this trade off and just call it a day. What an ugly day. What a when I thought the price action might be bad today, I didn't think it would be this bad. I mean, we are literally going sideways for the last hour, and it's just downright crazy ugly. Oh, this is just don't like it, man. Yeah, I'm sorry, Willie C. Today's definitely an easy day to just kind of go on tilt. Yeah, I'm not waiting until 2. No way I'm gonna wait for this kind of. I'm better off walking away. Gotta walk away, man. Pretty frustrating though, to be honest. Oh. Can we please get a break? Can this thing go? Please, one time. I'm not gonna watch it. I'm not gonna watch it. Oh, this market is trying to irritate me, and it is doing a good job. That's all I will say. Doing a tremendous job. Oh, man. I mean, how hard is it? Just go higher for once. Like, oh. I'll be honest, I can't remember a day of recent memory that we had this kind of ugly price action. Like, it's just so bad. Please just go. For once, don't reject. Just keep going. One time. Just keep going. Oh, please hit my. Please do it. Just do it. Oh my god. If this goes lower right here, we're gonna have problems, man. Go. Come on. Come on, market. Just do it. I'm too stubborn to take my profit here. I'm literally If I consider RR, no, I don't. Dude, I'm not kidding. If this rejects right here, we're going to have issues. We are going to have problems. I am not touching my take profit. This is now personal. This is now personal, and this is going to hit my take profit. I don't care. This is now reached a point of, I feel like there's a personal attack on me, and we're gonna have to stand our ground. We're getting bullied. We're literally getting bullied, and we're gonna stand our ground here. You got to draw a line in the sand somewhere. Hit it! Come on! Thank you. How difficult was that? That wasn't that hard, was it? Idiot. Jeez. I'm still not even happy. That was just a trade that got me back to a little bit less frustrated than I was. I'm not happy or content about it one bit. But I feel like this is also, this is just, I need to probably walk away. Because right now, this is ugly. Like, this just downright ugly. I mean, I'm not kidding when I say the overnight price action is 10 times better than this. 10 times better. Hey, D Versatility, good to see you, Phantom Pips, Dean Bishop. How we doing, fellas? Khalil, good morning. Good afternoon, I guess, by now. Yeah, it'll rip a 300 points now, Design Knob. You know it. Hey, how we doing, Mike? S, Amakre, Frank Steven, K Trader. How we doing, fellas? You guys enjoying this market as much as I am? So much fun. It's so fun. Great time. It's such a good time. Is this, I mean, I'm not jumping in here. That's just way too risky here. But if this now rips, I don't know what to do. Man, it would be tempting to go. Maybe I should just go short and play the range. In reality, I don't need to do that. I just need to walk away. Which I think that is what I'm going to do. That's the smart thing to do here. Just got to walk away. I mean, honestly, this is one of those days where it feels like I'm having a red day. Like it really does. It feels like I'm having a red day, but I'm actually not. In a large part, it's just, I mean, the overnight session is where we made all of our money. Like, it wasn't even close. Hang on, I got to take this call. Actually, guys, this call is going to take a while. What is MFU? It's My Funded Future. It's the Funded Starter Plus account. So, but yeah, this was my overnight trading. Very clean move. Very clean move. Just honestly there's just no need to trade this. Anytime you see VWAP doing this, if VWAP looks like this and the EMA looks like this, you should probably not be trading. Unless you love trading a range. But just all right. Oh, man. Does anyone use Legends Trading Trim Trader? I mean, I don't know. I don't. Sure, there's some people that do. How does the 30% negative P&L work over my initial profit balance, or does it change during the day while I trade? No, it does not trade. It doesn't change, Makre. The only time it changes is once you get over the buffer. I think then it does. But no, I don't think so. Hey, Andreas, how we doing? We'll do the 1 hour goodbye. I usually don't do it. Once I say, hey, I'm out of here, I'm usually out. Which I actually am going to go. I'm going to go, but watching this market now just creep higher is so annoying. Getting stopped out where we did was just kind of rude. Look at this. Look at how our day went. Right here, we get stopped out. We get shot in the tick here. We take a break-even trade. This is just a bad trade. We get shot in the tick again right here. Like, I mean, it's just one of those days where that's easy to happen to, but now we're just grinding higher. I am not getting suckered into this. I don't buy this for one bit. What software do I use to trade, Trizzy? Ninja Trader. All right, guys, I am actually going to walk away today. Let's just lock it in. Walking away on the day, and we'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to at least look at the price action around 2:30, 3 o'clock, but I highly doubt that I'm going to be trading it. Just not worth it. We'll be back, and I mean, hopefully the overnight session will be nice. I'm hoping, but we'll see. Anyway, take care, everybody. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we shall catch you guys tomorrow. Take care, and God bless.